Hello guys, welcome to PyQuant. I'm back with another time and work problem. Here A and B together can do a piece of work in 30 days. A having worked for 16 days, B finishes the remaining work alone in 44 days. So B completes remaining leftover work that A has worked for 16 days. That leftover work he alone did in 44 days. In how many days shall B finish the whole work alone? So he's asking if what in how many days B could alone can do work. So let us assume that A can do as an individual one work in X days, whereas B can do one work alone in Y days. This is individual alone or individual. So in the question, in how many days shall B finish the whole work alone? B whole work alone, that is Y. So it's asking the value of Y. So A and B together can do a work in 30 days. So A and B together one work in 30 days. In one day they can complete the work 1/30th of work. Here A can do one work in X days. So A can do 1 by X of work in one day. And B can do 1 by Y of work in one day. Right? So how do we together they can do 1/30th of work in one day. So that is 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1/30th. This is nothing but one day work. That is first statement. Up to here, this is the equation. Here having worked for 16 days, B finishes the remaining work alone in 44 days. So from here to here, we'll write in another equation, which is nothing but A worked for 16 days. That is one day he does 1 by X for 16 days, 16 by X. And B completed the leftover work in 44 days alone. So 44 by Y equals to 1. This is one work together they completed as 16 days alone and 44 days alone by B. That is equation number 2. So we got two equations. This is 1 and this is 2. So to solve these two equations, we multiply this equation by 16 so that we can eliminate X and we can write everything in terms of Y. So we get as 16 by X plus 16 by Y equals to 16 by 30. Here we get minus 15. So here Y 44 minus 16, 28 equals to 7 by 15 into 4, which is nothing but 60 days. I hope you have understood, guys, this problem. Thank you.